Hi, my name is Preetha. I welcome you to my channel. Today we're going to make a lovely shrimp gravy and I thought I'd share it with you guys over here. Let's get started. So for this gravy, we're going to cut 3 onions, medium to large. For today's recipe, we're going to take about 500 grams of onions finely chopped. Then we're going to take 500 grams of tomatoes finely chopped, equal ratio. Now let's put the powder ingredients together. We will cook the onions and the tomatoes on medium flame and then switch over to low flame when we add the powder ingredients. So we've got 5 powder ingredients plus salt today. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Well, this is about all. And then salt to taste. Don't forget to cook the shrimps on low flame. All these measurements today were for a kilo of shrimp. So if you notice, I did not add any water to the shrimps, and I just let the gravy thicken a little bit. It's very easy, right? So here it is. Our lovely shrimp gravy is all ready for us to enjoy. Give this recipe a try and let me know about it in the comments. I will see you soon with my next video post. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.